let's start at the top, and we're going to draw this sort of funny shape like this, and then in around there, and this is where the flame is going to come out from. This wants to come down, and then a little zigzag out like that, and there, and then we want these holes, which is where the allows the oxygen to get in to allow the flame to burn. And then that means that this is where the wheel is, and that wants to come across there and around like that. So this is the bit that you flick, and we'll put some little sort of circles in there like that. That means we got the top sorted out, so that we can come around like that and have that bit inside. Then this can come down to there. We need to get the right kind of proportions. So let's come down to about there, like that. And then that's going to come down there like that. Now here we have to have a little hinge. Then we can draw that bit around there. And this is where we're going to have the lid. So the lid needs to be the same kind of thickness. And that is going to come up like that at an angle, and then just slightly curved at the top, and then that will come down there like that, slightly curved like that, and you'll see a little bit of the side there too. And then I'm just going to draw like a thickness to that, and you'll see the inside of it there. We can put some kind of metallic kind of shading in there like that. So I'm drawing a big one and a little one and a smaller one, and then here we can make that quite dark, and we can probably do something the same on that side. I think I'm just going to do that all the way around there like that. And then I'm going to put a line there to put it on the table, and then a bit of shadow. And there you go, how to draw a Zippo lighter. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do more drawing. Bye.